Hey you guys, it's Laura Godwin, your Scentsy Superstar Director. It is summer, it is hot, and we are always trying to find ways to protect our wax, right? Our testers, our wax, even some of our other products just, they don't need to get super hot. And so I wanted to show you what I use in my car as in the back. This is, man, I think I paid $14, maybe $19. I can't remember. I got it at TJ Maxx. I usually will put like order forms and catalogs on one of these sides. Whatever isn't super, sensitive to heat, I'll put up here. This has little spots too. There's spots there. But anyway, this little cooler, it has saved me more than once. And so I just line the bottom with a bunch of the Scentsy insulated gel packs that come in our orders. And then you can put a towel, even one of these, you can double up so that you can put your customers' orders right on the gel packs and it not like soak through as it gets super melty. Anyway, this has been so wonderful because I've been able to transport wax back and forth. There's a lot of times we're running to the ballpark before I meet a customer, and if the wax even sat with me on the bleachers, it'd probably be in pretty pathetic shape by the time I delivered it to a customer, right? Even just one baseball game. So this little friend has been so much fun. It also doubles as a pretty handy drink tote for those long tournaments and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope it inspires you to go to your TJ Maxx or somewhere like that and pick up a really cheap cooler like this.